Hello everyone, my name is Abhinigam. I'm a fourth year student at VIT Bhopal. Recently, I received a super dream offer from Nutanix with cities of 18 lakhs per annum for the role of system reliability engineer. To be honest, it cannot be possible without the support and help I got in still getting from VIT Bhopal. For today, I'm going to talk about my placement journey. So, particularly placements. Our training started back in August 2019. Initially, the training mostly focused on quants and logical reasonings. I found it very helpful and fun to do. We have practiced quants and aptitude for like 4 to 5 months, and then shifted to technical training. Obviously, we are engineers, so tech is something that excites us in the first place. We get to know a lot more in depth about Java, C, and CS fundamentals during our training. During each training, we had given countless practice tests and quizzes too. That helped a lot during the preparation. In VIT, we have campus interaction, exam in Moodle 2. Our trainer also equipped with their in-house online practice resources that actually helped us a lot to get detailed analytics on where we need to focus more and what are our strengths. But the most important thing I got in VIT is support. I still remember our placement officer Shriram sir, they conducted my mock test till 2 in the morning. Every day I have my interview process. My faculties conducted several hackathons on CS fundamentals and tips and tricks how to crack the interview process. Every time I get to interact with my faculties, they told me about how to stay motivated along the process, and they helped me a lot during the whole process. I really don't have words to thank all of you. Thank you, VIT Bhopal. Thank you.
Hi, this is Praveen Kumar. I am a final year student from VIT Bhopal University. During the placement process of VIT this year, I bagged an offer from Thorogood Associates. The CTC offered by the company is 10 lakhs per annum, and the profile offered is business intelligence and data analytics consultant. I believe that this would not have been possible without the help and support of the VIT. The VIT placement cell provided rigorous training to us from last year for both technical expertise and soft skills. The faculty, staff, and management of VIT has always been cooperative for academic excellence and all-round development of the scholars. The PAT office has provided numerous opportunities by lining up hundreds of companies even during these hard pandemic situations. I got a chance to appear for approximately 15 big hunt companies before making it to a final offer. During the placement process, I got utmost support, guidance, and help from placement office. We were provided many chances to appear for mock interviews in order to feel the real challenge and subsequently to learn and to improve. I would like to thank the management, faculties, and the placement office for enabling me for a good placement and giving me a journey full of knowledge, enthusiasm, and opportunities. VIT is really a place to learn, a chance to grow.
Hello, this is Asim Naqvi and I am fourth year student of computer science engineering in VIT Bhopal. Recently I got selected into the placement process of PharmEasy India that gives a CTC of 11 lakhs per annum for full-time software development engineer, and I believe this could not be achieved without the support and the help of placement cells, especially from VIT Bhopal. So our training started back in August 2019. Initially, few tests were conducted to evaluate the performance of the students, where student stands actually, and then from November we had regular class for placements, initially for aptitude and reasoning, and then from January we had classes for Java programming, and that was all interview oriented. Then in March and April we had classes for data structures and algorithms. Till June we had classes for these things, and also we had a lot of webinars that were organized by VIT Bhopal, and people from industries came to give their advices and experiences regarding the interview processes of different companies. So our placement process, actually companies started coming from mid of July. Initially companies like Amazon, Disha, PayPal came with CTC of above 20 lakh per annum, and I was lucky enough to sit in all these companies because of having a CGPO of above 9. So I sat in most of the companies, like 30-40 companies before getting the actual placements, and I got into the interview process of like 3 companies, or fortunately and unfortunately could not get through the whole interview processes, but teachers in the placement cells, especially Shri Ram sir, motivated me a lot and helped me with the mock interviews before the actual interviews that are organized by the company, and these mock interviews was really helpful. They aimed at how to give the answers in the interview, how to write code, and how to explain the code in a real interview. So it boosted my confidence level throughout, and finally got selected in the PharmEasy. And I believe that if someone is not getting selected in a company here, that doesn't mean that he can't do it, but he can understand that it was just an unlucky day for him. And I believe that by doing a little of hard work here, everyone can get a super dream offer from VIT Bhopal, as more than 500 companies come to our campus. So the key here is being confident and motivated, and the rest VIT Bhopal can take care of your placements. Thank you.